Hi everyone, my name is Crystal and today I'll be showing you a couple of taping methods that are extremely helpful when it comes to lashing those stubborn inner and outer corner lashes as well as layering. I start by applying gel patches on the bottom lashes, then securing those patches with NextCare tape that I've already pre-cut. I like to use about 2 to 3 pieces on each eye. You want to make sure all the bottom lashes are taped down before proceeding. Now that we have the bottom lashes out the way, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start by targeting those inner corner lashes first. Go ahead and grab your piece of tape, apply it to your client's eyelid, and pull outward gently, exposing those inner corner lashes. The same goes for the outer corner lashes. Go ahead and grab your piece of tape, apply it to your client's eyelid, and pull inward this time so you're pulling in the opposite direction, exposing those outer corner lashes. I am now demonstrating how I would use the taping method on a client that has naturally straight lashes that point downward. It's the same concept. You want to grab your piece of tape, apply it to your client's eyelid, and gently pull upward. It is very important that we're being gentle with the tape, especially when we're taping upward. We just want to make sure our client is comfortable. We want to avoid from any fumes entering their eyes. So check in with your client, communicate with them, make sure they're doing okay, nothing's burning. Take a look at them from the front, make sure you don't visibly see their eye open, and then you are okay to proceed. Also, layering can be very scary, if I do say so myself, but with this technique here that I'm showing, it is such a breeze now. So what you want to do is, I'm using paper tape. I love paper tape for layering. I cut a piece of paper tape, a pretty long piece, and then you want to cut a very small piece to put in the center. You want to think of it like a band-aid. So once you have that ready, go ahead and tape up your client's lashes, pull out the bottom layer with your tweezers. Sometimes they just pop right out, and go ahead and get right into lashing that bottom layer. This technique makes it so easy to lash in layers and just removes that fear of ripping out any lash extensions that we've just applied, as if you were typically just applying tape. I know that's happened to me in the past, so that was something that I was always afraid of, but now with this technique, I am not scared at all. I love lashing in layers and I get the best coverage possible. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. Please let us know if you have any other video requests. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and don't forget to shop Glad Girl.